Hi guys, it's Fat Petrolhead here, and today we discuss brake fluid and why you should change it at least once in 2 years. A lot of car owners think that it is absolutely enough for the proper maintenance of your braking system to change brake pads and brake discs when they are worn out. However, brake fluid is much more crucial. The thing is that on brake pads, for example, you have a warning out indicators, and you will for sure hear the strange scratching sound when they are worn out, and you will change them immediately, and there is no such thing for the brake fluid. Let me quickly explain to you how the braking system works. So when you press the brake pedal, you put the pressure into master cylinder, which is filled with brake fluid, and this brake fluid under the pressure goes through the brake lines to the brake caliper, and under the same pressure of the brake fluid it applies the brake pads to the brake discs. That is why the brake fluid should be in ideal condition to work in the proper temperature range. But what can happen with brake fluid and why you need to change it every 2 years? So the thing is, and the main reason is, that brake fluid is absorbing everything, and especially water. And the old brake fluid can just boil much earlier. And that's extremely dangerous, because the brake fade when you don't have any brakes, for example when you are going downhill for a long time. That could lead to a very serious accident. Trust me, if you would experience this brake fade once in your life, you would change your brake fluid every 3 months. For sure. By the way guys, please press the like button if you enjoy watching this video, and subscribe for more. We have a lot of information about car maintenance. So please guys, change your brake fluid at least once in 2 years. And also ask your mechanic while this procedure to check your brake lines, because they can be just worn out under the influence of sun, heat, winter, salt, sand, everything. So it is also crucial to check them and to change them immediately if something is already worn out. And that of course can lead you also to a serious accident. Keep your braking system in the ideal condition, because it really influences your lifespan. And thank you, see you soon. Alright, now if you click one of these 2 videos, I hope you will enjoy them as well.